Today's learning goal is I can solve an equation. Hi grade ones. Today I want to talk about what some particular words mean. And the first word is sentence. Have you heard of a sentence before? So this is my sentence in English. We're not in French right now. It says sentence and it's in words, so a word sentence. And I wrote, my cat is orange. And I know this is a sentence because it has a capital at the beginning, a capital letter, has a period at the end. It's one complete idea. It's one whole idea. My cat is orange. It's not half of an idea. It's one idea. And then I also put spaces between my words. And that's what a sentence looks like. Sometimes you hear me ask for the number sentence, especially when we do word problems. And so a number sentence is like a complete idea for math, although it could also have something to solve. So my example here is an addition number sentence, says 6 plus 7 equals 13. And super tiny, I did a subtraction number sentence, multiplication or division, which you can learn about in grade 2 and grade 3, are also number sentences. So I often say, especially for word problems, I say I want you to give me a word sentence, like Ms. Egley needs 13 more cups of water for your answer. And I want a number sentence, such as 20 take away 7 equals 13. I usually ask those for those things and talk about those. However, I want to talk about a different word that's also like a number sentence, and it's called equation. And maybe you've heard it before, and maybe you can hear that equals is in it. Equation has the same root word and sounds like equals. And so an equation is a number sentence that has an equals sign in it, and usually it has something for us to solve or figure out. So here's an equation. It says 10 plus 10 equals, here's my equal sign, something. So I need to balance those. What's 10 plus 10 equal? It equals 20. And now I've solved this equation. But we've learned recently, we know that the part you're solving doesn't have to always come at the end. It could come in the middle or somewhere else. 9 plus something equals 10. So if I'm going to solve this equation, I'm going to figure out what goes here. 9 plus, well, I know it's 9 plus 1 equals 10. This is what we've been doing yesterday as well. Oh, not yesterday, the day before. And I'm not going to give you too much new work about it. I just want you to keep practicing. So I have a new worksheet I'm going to show you for you to practice doing this some more. And just I want you to think about the word equation if you haven't used it before and start maybe saying that, like, I'm going to solve this equation. Or 1 second, Mom, I have some equations to work on. That would be great. And also, I really hope you're all working on your word problem videos or photos to send to me so that next week in the meets, we can get together and we can solve each other's math problems. Let's look at the worksheet now. Today's worksheet looks like this. It's a lot more questions than the other days, so I don't mind if you choose to do half today and half another day. And it says grade 1 addition worksheet. What number should be added to the first number to make the answer? So let's just look at number 1 here. It says 3 plus something equals 4. And we've talked about lots of strategies you could do. You could draw 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to figure out how many. So there's already 3 on that side. I already have 3 on that side. 1, 2, 3. That means I need to add 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals 4. That's one way we could do it. Let's look at another one here. Well, this one might be an easy one. 1 plus something equals 2. I'm not going to show you that one. That one, I think a lot of us can do in our head. Let's try this one. 5 plus something equals 8. So I could draw things, or I could do a number line, or use my fingers. I'll do a drawing again. I'll do 8 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are already over there? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. 5 plus 3 is 8. I can check that out on my fingers. 5 plus 3 does equal 8. So that's correct. I do think you should be able to do a lot of these today. You might want to draw pictures, count backwards, do number line, use your fingers. There's lots of options. All the questions on here are under 10, which means they should be friendly numbers we know, similar to our rainbow facts, and also we can use our fingers for them, okay? Enjoy your math.